So you're thinking about buying or selling in Orange Beach, Alabama, Gulf Shores, and the surrounding areas? Well, today I am at the model home in Somersault subdivision in Orange Beach. This is a new construction subdivision. It is right across the street from the beach. You can short-term rent in this subdivision, which is what most of the buyers are going to do. But as you're about to see, these houses are huge. You could live in them. They'd also make amazing second homes. This particular one is the Harbor floor plan. It is 2,415 square feet. Can't wait for you to check it out. They are in the $860,000 price range. So they're on the higher end, but still pretty affordable for a lot of the beach buyers. So you're probably going to walk through and think that this house is probably closer to $1 million, but it's not. Excellent investment opportunity. So you're definitely going to want to stick around and check this one out. So come take a look with me. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, and surrounding area. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis and our entire team. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we're going to go walk through the model home here at Somersault. And honestly, we've got the one right across the way under contract. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and it's at $793. So you could save, almost $100,000, about $70,000 or $80,000 if you're willing to give up that 4th bedroom. So still some other price points in this subdivision you definitely want to check out if this sounds like something that's in your price range. All right, come take a look with me. right, guys, that's going to just about do it for our walkthrough of the model home here at Somersault. You got to see our friend Sherry over here, and as you saw, lots and lots and lots of owners' storage. Can't tell you how unusual that is. You know, most of the places down here, especially if it's a condo, you're lucky to have one tiny little owner storage about the size of a pantry, about the size of this pantry here. This one has an unbelievable amount of owner storage. You saw 2 upstairs, 1 under the stairs, and then the 1 right here outside the unit. So a really nice feature. And then also, as I mentioned before, I mean, these houses are so big you could live in. So definitely something that if it's your second home or a vacation property, you're going to love staying here, bringing your family down here. Plenty of room for lots of family and friends. So I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can learn everything there is to know about what it's like to actually live here. You know, the beach life. Until next time, we hope to see you around town.